Cubase has always been the leader when it comes to the options provided for achieving proper gain staging and amazing mixes. And with the new powerful event volume curves, it allows you to achieve a great sound with a more streamlined and faster workflow. Let's check it out. The new event volume curves in Cubase 14 allow you to take full control of your event volume and your gain staging. So let me show you how you can use this. One of the main reasons why you'd like to use volume curves is gain staging. For example, I have this vocal, it's very dynamic.
I better come home. I've waited for this moment for so long, and just rule the game, fade away.
And this is a very common thing when editing vocals. Now, if we want to process our vocal with a compressor, we can help the compressors do their best job by doing our volume curves before we get to the compressor. So let me show you how this works. The first way that you can use the volume curves is by using your pencil tool. And this way you can start drawing curves straight on your events. So if I click once, you will see we get the new volume curves. So the first thing I can do is create points. And I can create my own curves like this. And if I click and drag, I can select multiple points and make adjustments. And now as you can see, we have multiple handles right here. So if I click on this handle, I can change the level. If I go to the left handle, I can tilt my left side. If I go to the right handle, I can tilt my right side. If I go to this right middle handle, I can expand and compress my curve. But another thing that you will notice is that now not only I can reduce the level, but I can also boost. So if I want to boost this section right here, because it's a little bit low, I can do it like this. And now I'm adding volume to this specific event. If you want to draw a continuous curve, you can do this by holding Command or Control and just drawing. This is going to come in handy if you want to manipulate samples, you want to create built-in effects and all these things. The second way that you can use the event volume curves is by using your range selection tool. So for example, I see that this note right here is very loud. I can just select it. And now you will see that a volume handle appears right here. So I can just go here and just bring it down. Maybe I want to select this portion right here and boost instead. And you can see how quickly I can do my gain staging for my vocals using this technique. So using the range selection tool and just grabbing the handle like this. And now you will see that I can fine-tune the gain staging of these vocals super easily because every section has its own handle. So I can go here and say, actually, I want this to be a bit louder. This, I want it to be a bit lower. This, I want it to be a tiny bit louder. And this, I want it to be a bit lower. So it's a very fast way of editing your audio. And it doesn't stop there because now we also have a static event handle on every event. See right here, we have this little triangle. If I click on it, a fader will appear. And with this fader, I can adjust the volume of this specific event. So if I do this, I can just boost it or reduce the volume. If I go to this event here, I can just do the same thing. And it goes without saying that all these volume curves are event specific. So if I move a specific event somewhere else, these volume curves are going to be carried with this event. If you want to reset your volume curves, all you need to do is go to Audio and select Remove Event Volume Curves. So with these new event volume curves, doing your gain staging is going to be a breeze. These are the new event volume curves in Cubase 14. Hope you enjoy mixing faster than ever. I'll see you on the next one.